Question everything, trust nothing. It's your boys, Keeper and Crusader. Welcome to Crypto Wars, Crusader. I'm excited about today. How are you?
What's going on, bro? I'm excited. Today is the final 1v1 in Trading Wars for Season 3. And then that's it. Monday is the final 3. It's the final countdown.
We have, and this is I'm going to use Alex's words here. He said we have the Jedi Master in CryptoFace facing off with the young Padawan in Alex O Crypto. So I am. What'd you say?
I said that's a good way to put it.
Yeah, I am. I'm looking forward to see how things go today. Crypto fam, if you haven't already, smash the likes. Make sure that you have on the bell notifications, and make sure to follow Alex O and CryptoFace if you're not already. I know we've probably got the Otter Gang in the chat, it looks like. Also, we got Faces people coming on over right now. I think he just let his people know. So it's going to be an interesting day today. I have been trading, Crusader. Have you been doing any trading today? I'm actually up a nice little bit on a trade right now.
I got into it this morning before that huge collapse. You're gonna trade in now, right now?
Yeah, I am up. I'm up about 10% on a trade, and actually, we can get into this later when we bring people up. But Alex talked me out of closing the trade out. I had a game plan, and he talked me out of. I had a game plan with a limit order to get out, and he said, "Hey, follow the game plan.
Are you long?
I'm long. You do a you do construction. So are you going to follow the blueprint? I think he said, are you going to follow the blueprints? Or are you just going to put the toilet wherever the hell you want? I said, okay, I like it. All right, cool. Let's let me say hi to the chat real quick, then we'll bring them up. Gentlemen backstage, I know you can hear us. You guys are good to trade. No funny business today. Get into it. You've got to execute at least one trade back there. So no like sitting around on your hands doing nothing. But that's other than that, Crusader, do we have any other rules for them today besides they've got to be trading? No,
besides balls to the wall. This is it. This is the final countdown. If you want to make it to that final 3, better trade your heart out today.
D Johnny in the house, Justin Eubanks, Nick Musgrave, Mr. J, Crypto Wanderer, Bullyberry, S Dog, David Brumblebow, all set. Hey, listen, Melissa in the house. Thank you guys for being here. Let's bring up the contestants. Young Padawan, Alex O. What's up, brother?
What's going on, man? Good to be here. Thanks for having me on, man. And Otter Gang's out, man. They're here.
They are here. Glad to have you. And as always, glad to have Mr. CryptoFace himself. What's up, Face?
Yo, what's happening?
Yo, hey, shout out to our sponsors, Market Cypher. If you're looking for 20% off, check out our code down below in the description. And then if you guys want to sign up for LevX, they are giving away a bunch of money, $5,000. They're matching up to $5,000 of your deposit. So use our link and get hooked up, have some fun, do some trading, and be smart. All right, gentlemen, you guys are good to go. Are either of you already in a trade?
I'm working on it. Hopefully, we don't end like the fight with the red guy.
The fight with the red guy.
We're in Star Wars, man.
I
haven't slept in like 40 hours, and so I'm trying to explain that fight in Star Wars. I don't remember anyone's damn names.
Darth Maul. Yeah,
Darth Maul.
I was going to ask you about that. I
saw you Maul. Yeah.
Not sleeping.
I'm in prime shape for trading, though. I'm not saying that as an excuse, or anything like that. This is like my prime. I'm in my fangs are out right now. You know what I'm saying? So
this is it. This is the final countdown.
30 hours, man. If you win, you win on 30 hours, and then if you lose, you got the 30 hours either way. You're doing all right.
I mean, I've done. I do that Benjamin Franklin, bro. That's what my dad says. It depends on the market, dude. My sleep cycle depends on the market, but I haven't been really trading much, so I've actually been getting a lot of sleep. But I've gotten the little long with Bitcoin. But Benjamin Franklin, if people don't know, used to just take naps wherever he was. He would take 2-3 hour naps wherever he was working, doing his thing 24/7. So
he would just take random, just like, okay, yep, I'm feeling tired, nap.
Yep, that's Benjamin Franklin.
Yeah, there's a study.
That's crazy.
There's a study that basically you can pretty much stay awake. Meanwhile, you take like at least a 15 to 20 minute nap every like 2 to 3 hours throughout the day. You can just stay awake.
I feel like you feel like total dog shit though.
Oh, it's an adaptation. Obviously, feeling that way. And like the famous David Goggins says, you just gotta stay hard. Just keep doing it.
That's right. That's right. Hey, let me real quickly. Let me give you a little behind the scenes. Bring. I'm trying to see if CryptoFace is awake, right? So I make a phone call. Here's the other end of the phone, bro. You know I'm effing streaming right now, and I'm like, I didn't know you were streaming. I wouldn't try to interrupt you. You know I'm streaming. You're on YouTube. You know, bro. I would never try to interrupt your stream. I was just making sure you weren't sleeping.
I'm telling you guys, everyone always messages me and calls me the one time I decide to stream. Every time.
Army Piper in the house with a $5 super chat says, let's go, Otter Gang. Shout out Face. This is gonna be good. What's up, Army? We'll put you on the wheel, Mr. Piper, as we speak. Army Piper.
So since these guys are not in a trade yet, tell me about that trade keeper that you were doing, or you are in, or whatever it is.
Yeah, hold on a second. I was just putting him on.
I was able to jump into a short time frame long earlier in the morning. Was able to walk away with like 13%.
So here's the trade right now. As you can see, I need to click on the screen. There we go.
Where'd you get it? You get it?
I'm up.
What?
I'm gonna show you here in just a second, but I'm up about $51 right now, up 11%. My entry point was at 45,022. That was a limit order that I set.
45,022.
Oh, yep.
Yeah.
And I've got a take profit at 45,218. And like I said, we're creeping up on that right now. Alex, before the stream, I was kind of going over the setup there, and I appreciate you, Alex, for talking me out of it. I've been trying to not be. Greed has always been a problem where I just want to see just the big hits. And what I've been trying to do learning trading is not do that. Make 6%, 7%, 8%, 10%, 15%, whatever. And because in crypto, I mean, let's talk about it. The reality is we're looking for freaking 5,000%, baby. You know what I mean? We get these huge, ridiculous numbers. And I think that that's been a problem for me. So, I'm sticking to the game plan. I appreciate it, Alex. I think it's
David Brumlow with a $20 super chat. Let's go.
$1 super chat. David Brumlow, I am putting you on the wheel, brother.
Says Randy Hipper on her January 30th live show says she wanted an audio clip of CryptoFace saying, long it, babe. I'm sure she wouldn't mind one of short it as well.
Now, hold on a second. What are you asking for? What's he asking
for?
They're
asking for Face to say either long it, babe, or short it, babe. And they want to clip that audio of him saying it.
Yeah, I got your Twitter message, bro. I know.
Apparently, this has been a thing. Somebody's got a kink. Somebody's got a kink.
I don't like
voice.
doing things when people ask me to do them, especially impersonations or you know what I'm saying?
Chappie with a $5 super chat. Thank you, Chappie. I'm putting you on the wheel right now. If people are wondering what the wheel is, Crusader, real quick, while I put Chappie on there, you want to explain what the wheel is?
Yeah. So real simple. We got a game called the Flip or Hodl. It's a mix between Deal or No Deal and Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, where we give the opportunity to win up to at least $4,100 right now. That number continuously increases with every show. So that being said, right now we're playing for about $4,100 again. So maybe we play it this Friday, or what day is it? Today's
tomorrow.
Thursday.
Yeah, that'd be tomorrow.
Next week. We're probably going to play next week at this point. And then we let you guys know. You guys get your name on the wheel. We bring a content creator on to play, and whatever money he wins. Last time Face has come on twice. He gave away $800 and like $900, something like that.
Yeah.
So back to back on week by week, and then we spin the wheel, and everybody's name that's on the wheel get the chance to, if their name is selected, then they take that money home.
Ooh. Yes, sir. Blood says it's more about your stop loss percentage keeper, meaning your stop loss should be lower than your take profit targets. That's how you win long term. Appreciate you, Blood. Glad that you're here, brother. Crypto Blood's in the final. It's in Blood, Evan Aldo, and one of these two.
Yeah. This is it, man. It's been a good season. A lot of twisting and turning. Jenna X made it really far into the competition, right? Complete underdog in the competition, and really made it out to like almost basically you can call it semifinals when it was just the four of them on the show.
Yeah, it was definitely, it's been a good season so far. Everybody's been having fun.
Everybody's been trading really good. Everybody's been trading really good. Like Alex O's here, but he was here because he got hit with that 2%.
I know.
Man,
Alex, you've been profitable.
Trading back.
I think
You
Alex
guys
has been
need
profitable
to farm.
all year. What'd you say?
You guys gotta farm those clips. Like that was such good content. Like
Yeah.
as angry as everyone was, like, man, I mean, maybe you guys did. I don't know if you did or not, but man, if you like just took those clips and just fucking spun them out there on Instagram and TikTok.
Yeah, you're talking about the clips where we were going back and forth about basically whether the percentages were right and where we were at.
I mean, to be honest, I mean, and you know, we were rolling with the punches here, you know what I'm saying? But to be honest, like the two people had immunity that were in the hot seat, and so did Evan. So it's like technically he actually was the only one who it kind of probably shouldn't be there that late in the round. You know what I'm saying? But
well,
yeah,
we're about to find out today who makes it through.
About that, yeah. Bite my tongue. We just keep trying.
Right now?
Are either of you in a trade right now?
I'm
yeah,
in a little trade,
but I'm still
we gotta
like
keep it on the
working
DL.
trying to focus here.
Keeping it on the DL.
They're keeping it on the DL. All right, Crusader. It looks like you and I might be doing some trading today while these two keep their cards close to the chest. Iconic Crypto Nick. Iconic Crypto Nick. Thank you for your super chat. I got you on the wheel, brother. You are on there. What'd you say, Crusader?
Yeah, so this morning I longed Bitcoin when we were where were we? We were around. My entry point was 40. What was my entry point? My entry point was 45,106, and I longed it at up to 45,351. Made a quick 13%. Literally,
Nice.
it was like a 20-minute move. It was higher than that. I went up to at least like 16, 17%, but obviously it came down. I was shooting for. Let me see. Let me jump out to the daily. I was shooting for. Whoa! Why is my chart literally like this right now?
I can't tell you that.
Like super zoomed in. Jeez. Let me turn off the daily stuff. So, I was shooting for this. Right, we broke out of this range that we're in. We've been in this like 2-month range since the beginning of December, and we broke above that today. Right, above the 44,200. We closed above it yesterday, and then today we just been pumping from there. And as you can see, the next target here for the January is 45,546, and we almost made it, dude. We almost made it. We went up to 45,480. So I thought we were gonna tap it there, and then we got there, and then we started coming down. And when as we were coming down from there, I was like, all right, I'm out of this trade. I'm not gonna ride this thing all the way down. And boy, am I glad that I did that because
you'd have wrote it down,
huh?
Because you would have wrote it down.
Yeah, I mean, no, I'm glad that I jumped out when I did, because if I didn't, this thing massively dropped.
That's what I'm saying. You would have wrote it down. You would have rode that price all the way down. You would have got smoked.
Yeah. It would have gone from all the way over here. Where was I? I jumped in at 106 over here, give or take. The thing came all the way down practically to the VWAP 4480. That would have been massively in the negative. And then I would have been hoping that this little pump here can take me back. Right now, it would be back like just a little bit over break even at this point. I'd be like, that would have been terrible to be stuck in that trade all day like that.
Yeah. What have you been? I know I've been just trading Bitcoin, getting used to trading Bitcoin and how Bitcoin reacts. Have you been doing any alts over the last couple of days, or just Bitcoin?
I think it was the other day when Bitcoin was dumping. I tried shorting Doge a few times. I was just like a face as flopping and groping. And I just got chopped up that day. I lost like 50, 60 bucks that day, and I was like, ugh. And I didn't trade since then.
On which day?
It was like it was on the 6th. On the 6th, yeah, like 2 days ago when Bitcoin was dropping. The 6th or the 5th or something like that, when Bitcoin was dropping. And then I didn't trade since then until now. And I was able to make back everything that I lost plus some more.
Exactly what you lost.
Yeah, and a lot more than what I lost. But yeah, it just regains that confidence, bro. Because then your confidence is shaky after, like, oh God, do I actually know what I'm doing?
Oh yeah, it's a fucking. I mean, and the environment always changes, and so it's like you have to. Your confidence has to fucking like change with it. You have to like earn new trades and have new wins in order to fucking get that confidence back. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Shit, I'll lose my confidence and get it back all the goddamn time. Well, not all the time, but this month I did.
And that's part of it, man, for sure. Like even
Alex.
me, like I was trading with like 6-7 Bitcoin per trade, and then I was taking a couple of losses, and I'm like, okay, well, let's reduce down. Like I always suggest reducing your margin, and getting some wins behind your belt, and then it's just like go time. And when I do that, it seems to work out pretty good.
We were just $10 from my take profit, by the way, Alex.
And you marked it out?
No, I didn't mark it. No, I'm sitting it. I'm sitting it out. I'm waiting to say thank you. But it needs to. It's going to be either thank you or screw you. I don't know which, but it's going to be one of those.
The messenger.
What's your take profit? What's your take profit?
45,218. We were
218. Oh, that's like right above this other previous wick.
We were just literally just flirting with it just a second ago, and came back down. But you know, on LevX, the numbers I've noticed versus what's showing up on Bybit they're definitely different. I mean, they're 20 pretty consistently $25 difference, something like that.
That's typical.
I have noticed that.
Yeah, it happens between different exchanges. Also, like time frame of how quickly it updates. Between different exchanges or whatever, so there's always that little bit of difference.
Well, and obviously the order books are going to be different, so they're going to be a hair off, right? So, interested to see how this.
There we go. It's going back up. It's going back up. There you go.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Come on.
He's blowing on the trade already.
We're doing the Jason Casper.
There you go. 209, 218, 218. Just tap 218.
What did you guys answer? I'm looking at my screen.
Boom! There it is. Thank you, Alex O, for keeping me invested in making my decision. That played great.
Bravo.
Fantastic.
Bravo. That's good.
Oh, wait a minute. This show isn't about me and you trading, Crusader. I got sidetracked there. This is about Alex and CryptoFace. How are you guys feeling about your trades? If you're going to play them close to your chest, that's totally fine. But we got to talk about some trading. How are we feeling about what's happening in the markets right now? I'm feeling good after that little tick.
I don't know. This morning was like, okay, like I scalped the shit out of the market this morning. I made a good bunch of bank this morning, and I was feeling it. And now it's like, oh man, we got that like rejection from the golden pocket on Bitcoin. We were looking for the short there at 20 or at 45. 440-ish area, and we got it this morning. That was pretty smoking, but after we get the push back down, it's like, okay, now where are we going, right?
Yo, do you have the totals from the beginning?
That would have been a really important thing for me to have had.
Yeah. Do you have them from last week?
I do.
Can you repeat them?
Yes.
That would have been nice.
Uh-oh. I think I was 960. I don't know.
I was like 762 or 2626.
Oh no. We're gonna have to go on the honor system here, gentlemen. It's in Chicago. Oh, I had it written down in Chicago. I forgot I was in Chicago for that.
You left it over there?
I left the freaking piece of paper that I wrote it down on. Yeah,
of course. You write things on paper.
Can we pull up the video from last week?
Yeah, I can. I can check it.
Or at least
yeah, hey,
stay straight.
Crusader, you want me to do it or you want to do it? Just go back and look at the end of it. What's that?
I'll go look for it.
It's just right at it's going to be obviously right at the end there. I think Alex, damn, because I had it written down.
960 something.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds right. Okay. But
so okay, here we go. Closed PNL. All right, so I see
you should be able to tell
closed PNL shit here.
They should be able to tell from their last trade,
closed
right?
P&L.
I guess if we technically if I can add these, let me add these up and see if it turns out right. Because, but you should be able to know.
No, it's my fault. That's my fault. I totally forgot to ask right at the start.
Yeah, because I haven't touched. I haven't touched my shit since fucking last time.
Yeah. No. Neither is Alex. I know. David with the $20 super chat says, "My apologies, face. It just shows sent, and it appears you'd not seen it. Market Cipher keeping us highly profitable." All right, David.
Yeah,
thank you for the super chat.
I make sure no one can see when I see their shit. I ain't trying to have people see if I see, but I saw you, man.
Yeah, if you don't,
I mean, it's like I said, bro, it's no harm or nothing. I just I don't know, man. I don't really like when people ask me to do shit, and I don't even know if it's kind of from her. It's kind of my girlfriend would kill me if she found out.
Somebody's got a kink for your voice. That's funny. Clay the Great, $5 super chat. Keeper owes a case of beer for leaving gear adrift. Yeah, you're right, Clay. I definitely left gear adrift. That is no doubt. Clay the Great putting you on there, and Clay the Great is a member of the channel as well.
So we're looking for Alex's ending number, right?
Yeah,
and mine
and CryptoFace.
Because I just
I don't know about Face hasn't been on. So,
Face it. No, hold on. I've got Faces.
I was on Thursday. I was on Thursday.
I've got Faces. Yeah. Hold on a second. I've got Faces. Face was.
What is it? Repeat it to me.
Face was against. Hold on. Army. You were against Army, right?
And I remember partially what mine was. So I'm waiting for you to say.
770, 776.
Keep going.
Well, I don't have a decimal point after that. I have 776.
Come on, bro. That wasn't.
What?
Was it 7? Was it? I thought it was like 7.
I have
7. I thought it was 77627.
Yeah. So listen. So I had that you started the day at 778.28. And you ended up at 775.52 is what I had, but I just rounded it up to 77. I had it at 778 to 776.
Oh, you rounded it up. You rounded it.
You got the bonus points.
I've got it right here. All right, dude. 775.52. You prick.
You got the roundup, man. Don't forget to round mine too.
775.52. There, jerky. All right, that's what yours is. Face. What is Alex?
Alex's is 969.92.
That's the one.
969.92. That's Alex, and Face is 775.52. There we go.
Okay, we got that written down.
Yes, we got it written down.
Got it written down. He disconnected himself.
He disappeared. He ghosted us.
Whoa! What just happened? What did you just do? Just
Whoa!
Me off screen?
I didn't do that. I have no idea.
Yeah, you did. We were all on screen. You disappeared. We were all on screen.
You guys all disappeared for me too.
And then out of nowhere, you came back and we all got kicked.
Oh, that's weird. It did the opposite for me. It kicked me, and then you guys were still on screen, and then all of a sudden they all came back. This has some fun with us sometimes. I'll throw that out there for sure.
Yeah, I don't know.
All right. Look at Blood still talking about mail-in ballots. Like, if we got the numbers right, okay, bro.
Hey, no, dude, no, I got my real number. I just had it right here. My number was 77626. So it's actually a little worse than what you said. 776.
Okie dokie.
26.
If you say so. I don't know where I came up with 77552.
I typed it on another window, but I thought I closed the window and I did not.
Okay.
776.26.
Okay.
Is my starting number.
Got it. Alex, just so you know, that actually helped you by about 1/1000th of a person.
Honesty is the best policy.
Yes, it is.
Guys, we got almost 200 people in here. Let's get at least 100 likes rocking and rolling in here. There's no reason why we can't get to 100 likes with 200 people. Let's go, guys.
Yeah, no kidding.
Let's see. I'll be the first to share a trade, I guess.
Oh, I like it. I like it. What do we got?
I got it way too early, but I'll share it still. But
you had a profitable trade?
Yeah, a little one, very small, very small. Got to put a little bit of pressure on the main man here.
Yeah. Sorry, let him know. Let him know. You better be trading, bro, because we're going into some profits.
That's fine.
I took a little long here. I got out up just a quick $7 here.
Okay.
A little long here. Saw the flag. Tia trying to move its way up.
Okay.
So I just a little long here. Now it's come back down. See, so it's good. I had a plan. I exited, right? So quick $7 only. But with these fees, man, I'm only up what, $3? So
yeah, but these fees are nothing compared to some of the other exchanges.
Keep hitting that market button, baby.
yeah,
Keep hitting that
baby.
market button. That's right.
I'm sorry to do this, but I'm staying secret till the end.
Ooh.
And I'm only because I know my competition. This guy's been fucking killing it.
He has been doing well.
So you're not gonna know if I'm a fucking loser or if I'm a winner until the end.
You're still a winner in my eyes, man. You've made me a winner. So I mean,
oh man, come on. Man.
We just press buy and sell with the market cipher signals. That's it.
You know what I'm saying? But thank you. I appreciate that.
I appreciate
Bitcoin want to run. Bitcoin wants to run, but it's going back up.
Long Bitcoin. Shit.
Created like a little double bottom,
golden pocket rejection coming right up right now.
I'm fucking tunnel vision too. This shit, like I'm so tunnel visioned. Like
the 30-hour tunnel vision.
30-hour tunnel vision.
That's it.
Yeah, Crusader. I've executed. Let me see here. Hold on. Let me look. Yeah, I've had 5 trades today, and this was from yesterday. So up $20, up $20.
They're telling me to use my whole account.
Lost this one, up $41, up $65. So today's been a good day for me so far with the using the things that I'm learning from other people on the stream.
Nice.
Which is great.
Bitcoin don't care right now.
Yeah, dude, Bitcoin is just doing its thing. 50K, bro. 50K is coming. If we cross
50K is coming.
If we cross, where's my freaking level at? If we cross the January high of 45,500 and some change or whatever it is.
Was there a gap in between? Is there just a big
nothingness? There's not a lot of volume up there. Yeah. The only time we were up there was when we pumped all the way up to 49 right before we checked out the ETF thing. That was the last time we were up there. So we're up there for a very short period of time. If we break above that level and stay above that level, Bitcoin's been ranging in the 40,000 since the beginning of December. So there's a lot of support being built down here, especially at these. The point of control for December and January are the same, 42,723. So there's a lot of support there. We obviously had a bounce off of there yesterday. And if we stay above the value area high for January, for 50,000, bro, there's a blink of an eye away.
Yeah.
Sheesh. That'd be wild.
I just, I don't see it. I'm holding on to my Ethereum bet, but we're not going to get there.
You stick on to your biases. Keep waiting for that 12K. Let's see how that worked out for everybody.
Thankfully, that was never on my radar, but hey.
You denying 50K is like people believing in 12K, bro.
Oh, it's a little bit different.
It's
a lot of bit different. It's a little bit
of a lot the same. We're literally a fart away from 50.
Mm-hmm. That's what you said when the ETF stuff was happening. When I told you,
we literally hit 49 and some change. We're literally a fart away from 50, and now we're coming back.
And what did it do?
Now we're back, a month later. Now we're back. Now we're back.
We'll find out if we're back. I think that this is the markets playing games. I think we're in for a nice little move to the downside.
Always playing games.
The markets are always playing games, and you know they are.
When we hit 100K,
popular that word was manipulation back in like 2017 and 8. Manipulation. We should have started a band called Manipulation.
Market manipulation.
Yeah, everybody pumping the SEO on it.
Yeah.
We got 215 people in here. Let's get 100 likes, guys. We're less than 20 likes away. We're what, 12 likes away? No, we're talking about 22 likes away from 100. Come on, let's hit the like button, guys. Don't be afraid of the like button; it won't bite back.
That's a good point.
That's it.
I want to fucking ham hock Bitcoin, but I feel like as soon as I do, it's gonna stop.
Reversal. Thursdays are typically down days, so like it's
I don't know
It's
if I
running.
agree with that.
no.
It's running today. I
Hmm.
mean,
But if there's a real statistical data on it, you know, I could be wrong. I always like Thursdays were always like my favorite day of the week, like in general in my career in and out of crypto.
Oh, like when, for trading, you're saying?
Just any Thursday was always my favorite day of the week.
Yeah.
That's all. For
Thursday.
sales,
you guys have any
for
speculation
trading,
why
maybe. I don't know.
Bitcoin's pumping?
What'd you say, Crusader?
Let's take a look.
If anybody has any speculation on why Bitcoin's pumping, is it China's economy collapsing? Is it Grayscale selling less Bitcoin? Did Elon Musk tweet?
Oh man, alrighty. Oh boy.
Man, somebody in the tweet says no 50K. The more people disbelieve in 50K, the faster it's going to get here. Let me tell you, when everybody starts lower, this thing is going to rocket away.
Yeah. Somebody else was talking about liquidity hunting. Yeah. That's always happening. I mean, that's just a reality of the markets for sure.
Oh. Come on. God damn it.
Oh, I was taking a peek backstage. Alex O either just exited a trade or changed the stop.
It was added to a trade.
You added to. Ooh.
I just fucking.
He's like, I just made $100 trade, man.
I just made a shit ton of money. No. God damn it.
Umberto with a 20. I don't know if this is Mexican pesos or something.
It must be, yeah.
What is the pick do you expect for what's the peak is what he's probably asking what's the peak
For the cycle.
For the cycle.
Dude, I think 200K is in the ballpark for the peak. Think about it. Do you or do you not believe that crypto can reach a $7 trillion market cap, total crypto this next cycle?
It's a lot, but I could see it.
If Bitcoin falls between 45% to possibly keeping 50% market dominance,
yeah, then we're there.
We'll be at 200K Bitcoin.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's very, very possible.
Oh, the one thing I've learned in crypto, and this is part of the reason why for a long time I didn't trade and just did dollar cost averaging, right? I'm really glad that I've started trading and I've enjoyed it and have been like, I feel like I'm going to be good at it. I've been doing well in the short amount of time that I've been trading. But the one thing that I have learned in the crypto space is never doubt it. Never doubt. Never think you know what's happening, because the moment you know, you don't know. And
I think what you're trying to say is it's inevitable.
Long term, yes, which is why I had always stacked long-term bags. But short-term, we're going to this number, we're not going to this number, we're going here, we're going there. The price predictions are all part of just the mental game that is crypto. The question is, do you believe in what the changes that are being made in our world today and how crypto can affect them in positive and or negative? And if so, what assets are you stacking for the short, medium, or long term?
The only asset worth stacking, bro. MicroStrategy said it. Bitcoin.
Well, yeah, if MicroStrategy said it, that's it.
People in here. Let's get to 100 likes. We're 9 likes away from 100. Come on, let's make it happen.
We can't even get half the people to smash that damn like. Come on, guys. If you are,
we don't put bots in the chat like some other people.
Yeah.
I'll be back.
I digress.
Crusader, I'll pull you off stream real quick. Did you say you got to go somewhere? Yeah, he's got to go somewhere. Okay, so Alex, you don't have to. You can keep your cards close to the chest. But have you been Bitcoin trading, altcoin trading? I saw the TIA trade. You showed that. Are you looking at alts or are you looking at Bitcoin?
I'll show you my Bitcoin trades this morning that I took here.
Okay, yeah.
I think I'm shared my.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so this morning we had the move up, right? I was looking for the break of structure here. We got it, but we were looking for the short from here, and this is simply the golden pocket of the big range, right? So if we go over here, we get rid of everything. We were looking for a reaction on price here. Pretty simple this morning. So we pull our fibs from top to the bottom. We got our fib area.
Where were you pulling those fibs from?
From the very top to the very most
the very
recent
top
bottom.
of what? You talk the top of a wick?
Yeah, top of 49,000 here, where we got to with that buy the rumor, sell the news shit.
Yeah. Okay.
Then yeah, so that's where I got the level from. It also matches up quite nicely with a couple other levels that we had. But we were looking at the bullish momentum continuing up here, and if we didn't break below this here, we look for this to continue. I mean, when you look at the 3 and the 4 day on market cipher, I mean, you get this little mini wave down here with the green dot, and the crossover, the VWAP pushes up pretty aggressively. The only thing that was like kind of deterring me is the money flow coming out on the daily, but the 3 day and the 4 day obviously trumped that.
Okay.
So this VWAP crossed here, and then going over to what happened this morning, we got the push up. We took and I kind of wanted to fake us out here this morning. It was actually quite interesting is how we got the push up into this area. Now I was able to long from here, get out up here, and then short from here and get out here. So I was scalping this morning, and then I added to my trade a couple times and got out. And then once it came up here, I wasn't participating.
Okay.
However, it was pretty clear that we saw that continuation because for me,
and those were fibs. Those are fibs that you had marked off for that sell zone.
So this sell zone, yeah, we shared this morning for that sell zone. That's that fibs, and we were ready for that as a community. But that was pretty good. And like I said, with you, with holding your trade, I mean, you pull swing low to swing high here. You're looking for the retracement. Also, if you want to get into the nitty gritty, as I call it, which also lines up with your double top pattern here, right? So typically you come back and you retest these.
Mm-hmm.
So you double top here, you drop, you come back and you come at least close. You didn't get it here, but you got it here, right? And then you see the continuation. Money flows thick, man. It keeps pushing. Follow the money, right? And typically you can be on the right side of the trade, right? We're not invalidating this move until we get literally man, we got to come down below 42.9 now, right?
Man.
To invalidate the current move.
Yeah.
Okay.
A little retest back down here.
Bitcoin.
What do I have to? Oh, there you go. I had two. Yeah, Bitcoin's been doing its thing. I've been kind of watching it on the different time frames on the market ciphers, and we're moving up.
Yeah,
we got a green dot on the 30 minute. Now, let me ask you this, Face or Alex. When you're scalping on lower time frames like this, does it have any value whatsoever on market cipher to look at a larger time frame, like more than an hour?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I mean, it all depends. Its situation's always different, but yeah, I mean, yeah, totally. Yeah, you want to go with the overall trend. Like you want to size matters. You know what I'm saying? And so, like, if you're looking at a micro time frame, you know what I'm saying? You know.
So you're looking at the basically the smaller time frame, but then what's the overarching theme? And that's why I go from a 1 minute and then start zooming out, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, and start zooming out. But you're saying even if you're trading those micro time frames, you want to have a more bird's eye view sometimes, depending on the trade, is what you're saying.
Yes, of course.
Yeah,
I get.
And like if you're planning on trading just today, like for me as an intraday trader, like I'll look at the 4 hour and I'll be like, okay, I get two more prints of this candle, right? So for me, I know I'm going to trade 8 hours. I get 2 more prints of a 4 hour candle. Which direction I'm going to think it goes. Then I go down to like the 1 hour, so I'm going to get 8 more 1 hour candles out of this. Which way is it going to go, right? And by thinking that way, I can give myself an edge because I'm not predicting. I'm no fortune teller, but I'm putting the odds in my favor, right? We're stacking probabilities, right? And by doing that, I give myself a little bit of an edge.
Yeah. And that's ultimately what it is, right? It's profitable trading. Of course it's profitable trading. What I meant to say was it's playing the numbers and trying to, more often than not, overall, depending on and a lot of times depending on your setup for what you're willing to lose, you can actually more often than not even be wrong on trades if you've got your risk profile set correctly. So I've talked to some other traders about that. That's obviously not the goal, but if you're setting tight stops and making big moves, that can definitely be a reality.
Yeah, you got to live to trade another day, right? I mean, especially if you're new to trading. I mean, I would. The biggest thing is to continue, right? You're gonna pay your tuition one way or another, but continue to trade. Give yourself a chance to trade the next day, right? And if you're here for a quick buck, you're probably gonna get wrecked.
Umberto with the 500 Mexican dollars says, "What about ETH?"
What about ETH?
Anybody want to take a peek at ETH while you're Face? You want to pull ETH?
Yeah, let me hide my
let me hide the goods.
Okay. Okay, let me
shout out to you, Umberto. Thank you very much for that super chat. We appreciate you. We're putting you on the
wheel. ETH share. Yay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, actually, random count. Well, I'll tell you what really gave it away for the long with Bitcoin and everything else was Link for me on the daily. Beautiful inverse head and shoulders on momentum wave. And this looks like Ethereum in a bull run when momentum starts getting low, but we're in like a bull run. The zero line on the money flow acts as support, or it'll be a tiny bit red and then fucking launch. So that was one thing. And then I'm pretty sure ETH.
But why were you looking at Link? But why would you use Link?
It's all the same. All the same. And Ethereum on the daily is looking mighty sexy as well. Beautiful anchor trigger. And this is a steep anchor. When you have like your anchor wave right here, and it's like a boop. It has just this exact shape is good. Okay. And so I mean, so far, the price has come up a little wee bit here on the 2D. On the higher time frames, Ethereum not as good as Bitcoin, but if it's all the same shit, and we go to Bitcoin on the 3-day, I was looking at this today. If we just look at the last times the money flow was this high, because the daily's what trapped me and lost me like $5,000 on my short in my video like last week. I was like slobbering over this shit, but just got tunnel visioned and fucking stupid. Mm-hmm. The money flow still hella thick on the higher time frames, and size matters. So if we go back in the past and just ignore the price action, just click boom right there, money flows right here. Just the first time when the money flow comes up and hits the exact point it's at now, what fucking happens, right? And so let's take a look see. Yeah. It looks like shit that goes straight down. No, I'm just kidding. So last time looks like the end of November 2020. We were at Bitcoin was at 18,000, went up to its 45,000. Then the time before that, it was in the range between 6K and 8K, and then that's when it went up to 14. After that, and then this time. The price actually still went up from here as well, $357 to $469. And then this time back here, it was 5 cents. It was 8 cents, and it went up 1,000,000 fucking %. So to be honest, this 3-day kind of has me a little giggity.
A little giggity?
That's the one.
Yeah.
I like it. I actually didn't know, Face, so thank you. This is where I learned from you guys. I did not know that the that using like the patterns on momentum waves, for example, you had an inverse head and shoulders that you could use the patterns sometimes on market cipher like that.
And they're better than the fucking dude. Head and like an actual head and shoulder, a clean one. Even a lopsided one, like an uglier head and shoulder on the momentum wave, on the blue wave, I think will perform better than fucking on the candles. But I don't know how it really is today. I haven't measured Bitcoin head and shoulders, but back in the day, let me share my screen again. We're going back to mode.
We're going in. We're going in.
I love it.
Share.
Yeah, I just didn't know that you could do that, so I'll be looking for that. That's great. Learning experience. I love it.
Yeah. So back in the day, you can see this, right? Yeah.
Yep.
Back in the day, like in 17, 18, 19, if Bitcoin had like a head and shoulders, hang on, let me redraw this here. A little head and shoulders, and it was like this. It was the neckline that I found mattered. If the neckline was pointed up, whether it's fucking upside down, upward, downwards, if the neckline was pointing up, then it was bullish and the price normally would go up. If it was a normal head and shoulders, which is supposed to be bearish, and the neckline obviously was going down, then it would be bearish. But it would be fucked. If that neckline was pointing up, that bitch faked everybody out. Same thing with the inverse. So it was the neckline that really mattered in that direction. That's what I found. I don't know what it is today. I haven't seen any head and shoulders lately on Bitcoin. I haven't looked. Back to mode.
Is that now, Alex? Have you looked at head and shoulders that way? Because my understanding always on head and shoulders was just a head and shoulders is a bearish pattern, but it actually percentage wise, it's got a terrible percentage of actually coming to fruition. And then an inverse head and shoulders obviously is a bullish pattern. I've never heard what Face just said. Is that something that you're familiar with? Yay, nay?
Absolutely.
Okay.
I see them play out all the time, especially on Market Cipher. It's one of the best signals. I saw one on ADA. I think it was a couple weeks ago. Here it is. I found it. Share my screen. You got that right?
Crusader, I'm putting somebody on the wheel.
Sometimes there's a deviation. Like we do get a momentum wave up here, a bounce back, but you can see the head and shoulders here. And you get it here with the money flow coming back into the market. Like this, to me, says that we're probably pushing up, and you get this monstrous push up right here. You can find them all over the place, even in short-term time frames. I guarantee it. Like you can go and scroll through anything. And I like them. I like them to the upside. Well, I use them mostly in the trend, right?
Okay. You
can just scan through here. Okay, here's one, right? Top.
Okay.
Coming down, right? It's powerful, right? It's I always talk about the power of threes in trading, right? There's so many, like you look at so many things, the three white soldier patterns. Well, it works in Market Cipher too. When you get the momentum waves, especially if you get like three bearish divergence on Market Cipher, it's beautiful. So
okay.
Power of threes, man. Look it up. There's so many different candlestick patterns, you name it. It all makes you money. That's what's important, right? It all makes you money.
Yeah, I know with Bitcoin, I always used to say that 4 was its favorite number, and then 3, with the old Chinese ching chong and shit like that. Yep, 4, 3, sometimes 5, hell, even 6.
So A1 said just got here. Who's winning so far? A1, we actually do not know. Face has been playing the close to his chest, and so is Alex. Alex has executed at least one profitable trade. We have seen that. So he is in the positive, or was in the positive. I don't know what he's done since. They're keeping their cards close to their chest. So
yeah, sorry if it's making things more boring, but I'm here to
no, you're here to win. Hey, no, I got no problem with it. It's okay. We'll continue to talk trading. No worries with that. We're continuing to look. Okay, so what? Let me ask a question real quick, Crusader. When we or anybody who wants to answer this, look at this. Now this is on a 5-minute chart, but these 4 candles are literally damn near exactly the freaking same. I mean, just so is there?
We're open.
I mean, literally, they're exactly the same.
Squares are so damn small. I can't see. What
Yeah,
do you
dude.
mean? It's 10 weeks, bro.
Spread that out, bro.
Midget candles.
What's that?
What chart
You
is
got
it? What
He's
chart is
like
it?
He
the
likes to look at
Shire,
midget
man.
Candles.
Sorry.
Spread
What
those
is this
things out.
today? You got so much shit on your chart, bro. What the fuck?
What do you mean? I don't have very much on here. I got 2 trend lines. Shut up. Shut up.
Okay, what is this?
No, there's 5
5
minutes. I was just asking about these candles being damn near exactly the same. If there was any sort of, you see a lot when you're looking at the the candle patterns and the movements, and that this has.
Switch it to Heiken-Nishi candles, and you'll see it kind of it tightens it up a little bit for you, makes it a little bit clearer for you. You know how to do that?
Yeah.
Up top.
Yeah, I did it.
Okay. There you go. Now, look at that.
wait,
Now you got a little Chinese trumpet forming there.
Yeah,
Might tell you
you gotta
something.
get rid of your brush. You gotta switch back.
Yeah, I know. I got you. I'm getting rid of that.
at the same time.
Yeah, they were asking you to say that. I heard you saying that earlier.
I didn't want to say it. Listen, I said he put in $2, and so I said it's like 2 chicks at the same time.
That's great. So yeah, I had seen, you use Heiken-Nishi. I've seen other people use Heiken-Nishi, but I never have understood when it's appropriate, or is it just another form of confluence?
Shit, bro. I mean, or maybe you're just saying this just to create talking.
No, I'm asking you. I'm asking.
We got to stretch time here.
I'm asking.
But I've answered this question for you, bro. There's no specific fucking time you just always do. You always do. And if something gives you a clear picture than the other, you see, you see different things. You see different things. Sometimes.
It's just something that you'll click into, take a peek at it.
I mean, right there, all the candles were looking the same, but when you switch to Heiken-Nishi, you see the Chinese trumpet, and then it changed.
Makes sense. Yeah.
Different perspective. That's the one.
Damn. So what's Bitcoin at right now? 345,348.
Smash the like, fam, if you have not already. If you're not following Alex O Crypto, you're doing it wrong. If you're not following CryptoFace, you're doing it wrong. And if you don't have on our bell notifications, you're doing it wrong. So fix those problems if you have them, and if not, make sure to smash that like as well. Let's see here. Somebody else
just chopping sideways right now.
A1 said the CryptoFace helped change my life with Market Cipher. That's freaking fantastic.
Let's go.
Right on, A1.
A1 sauce.
That's the one.
What were you saying, Crusader?
I was talking about just big and just chopping it sideways. Just literally doesn't know where one.
What's chopping sideways?
Bitcoin.
Oh, Bitcoin.
Yep.
At least over the past hour ish.
It's like half an hour every 5 minute candle is literally just engulfing each other. Now we got a little spinning top candle on the 5 minute.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. How just that action's been fucking. Although there's been a little action right here.
Oh, there's been some good action all day today. Big move up, big move back down, another little decent move back up again. Definitely a lot of good trading action today. Usually there's only enough momentum for like 1 or maybe 2 trades, but there's been a lot of trading opportunities today.
It's rough right now.
You're
lying, man. Bro. Don't you ain't fooling me. You ain't fooling me.
You ain't fooling me. He's back here executing freaking 10%, 12%.
Otter emojis. He's got a little twinkle in his
fucking otters everywhere, man. Looking utterly fantastic, man.
We got about 35 minutes left. If you guys are just coming in, the winner of this goes to the final. That final is Monday. It's going to be Crypto Blood, Evan Aldo, and either CryptoFace or Alex O.
They're going to make you mark it out at the end, bro.
Damn.
Mark it out.
You got to be marketing out, bro.
Gotta limit out before then.
Elo wants to know, what other charts does everyone like to watch? Dixie, Total Bitcoin. What are some other things that you are constantly looking at? Bitcoin dominance, Dixie, are those?
I watch Dixie when there's news events. That's about it. Like, so if I'm like scalping the day in the Dixie, we get a news event and Dixie flies off the chart. It's typically inverse correlated with Bitcoin, right? So if we get a huge pump on the Dixie, you look for a little bit of a push down on Bitcoin, right? People holding more dollars. vice versa. So I'll watch it on news events, but other than that, that's about it. I'll check East Bitcoin chart too. East Bitcoin kind of gives you like an idea of where the rotation of capital is going.
Yeah.
Oh, you'll look at
that looking like right now.
Okay. You're saying you'll look at the ETH Bitcoin trading pair?
Yeah, so I can see if it's dumping, then I can see that people are taking their Bitcoin and putting it into ETH. That's the idea, right? Where then you get moves from the alts a bit more, right? That easy rotation of capital, and then you can look for possible different trades. They mostly trade Bitcoin, but
shout out to Jenna X in the chat. What's up, Jenna? Glad that you are here. We were telling everybody earlier, Jenna, you put up a great fight. You did a really good job.
I know, dude. I voted for Alex thinking that I was going to go against Jenna. You know what I'm saying? She's a little bit more fun to look at, but I should have voted for her. I'm just kidding. I'm not a fucking creep. Jeez Christ.
Well, the 2% that Alex, or that Jenna handed him, I think some of the audience said, wait a minute. She's not going to get away with that. We can't let her get away with that.
Yeah. No, she was doing pretty good though. She was fucking
oh yeah. No, she did a really good job.
Dude, I'm gonna gift 5 memberships. We got 220 people in here. I'm gonna gift 5 memberships to 5 people to make sure that they can use that gift to get on the wheel for Flip or Hodl. Let's go. Let's see who the 5 people are. Come on.
Let's see who they are.
Okay.
Frankie Lift for crypto. Frankie Lift for life. Crypto.
No, Frank
Mr.
Fit for
J.
life.
Frank Fit. Oh, I thought it said Frankie. Yeah. Mr. J, Bullish Bradley, Peanut, and maybe a Band-Aid. Congratulations, you guys.
Maybe a Band-Aid. This is an interesting name. Maybe a Band-Aid.
Congratulations. Use that gift to the opportunities to be able to get on that wheel and make some money on Flip or Hodl.
That's right. John was asking earlier when we're playing next. Most likely, I would like to tell you that it'll be next Friday. I think we've told you guys this before. It's obviously all sponsorship related. Like Crusader and I have put up our own capital a number of times to play, but we do need sponsors, obviously, to be able to play. So hopefully next Friday is the answer to that, John.
What are you guys doing for the Super Bowl?
I don't know. I know Crusader doesn't really pay attention too much to sports too often. So
how much time we got left?
We got 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
All right.
30 minutes. People are trying to make another move here now to the upside.
What the fuck?
Bullish Bradley's going to be washing his or her cat. I can't see his picture. I think
who's playing the Chiefs and who else?
The Chiefs. Who do you think?
I don't want to say. I don't want to say something.
49ers.
The 49ers.
Come on, even the Canadian knows this, man.
Yeah, I mean, I'm saying I didn't want to. I was going to call them a different name. It's
the Toronto Argonauts.
I know you were. The Argonauts.
You know what the problem is with both these teams is good teams win, great teams cover, and they don't fucking cover the spread. Neither of them do.
Yeah. Oh, that's dropping tonight. That's right.
Yeah, Tucker. Check this out. I don't want to get us in trouble, so we won't. I just read the super chat, guy. Read the chat from Blood here. Okay, we can't.
Very interesting, bro.
Oh,
very interesting.
No, listen. I saw a tweet that showed 4 different people interviewing that same individual, and it was like, and the tweet said, "Thank you very much." The tweet said, "What's it called when you interview somebody?"
Interview.
Well, no, it said journalism, treason.
Yeah.
But it's so true, dude. Multiple different people have interviewed that same individual, and now that it's Tucker Carlson, nope,
it's not journalism. It's not journalism if you're an independent. That's the problem. Right. If you work for somebody, right, then it's journalism, right? Whatever they say goes. They give you the green light. But when there's nobody giving you the green light and you're independent, it's no longer journalism.
You flipping long face or what?
You better be, because that thing is Bitcoin's rocking and rolling, trying to break over above 45,400.
I'm really trying to avoid the market
Market
button,
out.
but I don't know. What's going on?
There it goes.
What?
It is rocking on the 1 minute, baby.
On the 1 minute, on the 5
I'm on
minute.
the
I'm
I'm on
kidding.
the 5-second chart.
I'm totally kidding.
Oh man, fuck.
But it is moving for sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna share my screen here real quick so people can.
Yeah, let me see what you got going on there.
But yeah, we're trying to get. We're back basically back up at the highs of today, right here.
Yeah, double top incoming.
Double top, but it also had a sweet bottom.
Damn, look, she's fucking diving. She's fucking diving.
She's taking a snap.
She's dead.
Nap.
Did you short that, bro? Did you short that?
I tried, man. I missed it by like $3.
Oh,
I was at 430.
Oof, your entry was at 4:30. Oh man, just literally.
Oh, there you go. Here comes the log.
It's the wrong time. It's coming back, man. That was the liquidation grab of everybody going long. It's coming back.
Oh, fuck! God damn it!
He's like, damn it, I was long.
That's gone. It's gone. It's going to the basement now, man. 40K incoming.
40K.
Oh, look at that liquidation.
Oh,
grab.
I just got my order partially filled, baby. Come on.
Will you jump into a trade?
You
Yeah,
blowing on the freaking trades
What are you
already.
doing?
Yeah, I'm blowing on a trade, but I'm shorting. I'm shorting currently. This is going to be a little in and out action.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Makes
Because I'm scared to death. This is one of those. Hey, Keeper wanted to try to see if he could get a limit order to execute, and it just ping.
What do you mean it pinged?
No, I'm saying like I was a little ways away, and it moved, so it moved fast enough that it all of a sudden I was in the trade before I even got to set my.
Do you know where it shows you what the current price is when you're entering the limit order?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. I'm just saying it moved. It seemed like it moved fast.
And did you click post only?
I did not, dude. That's
you got
something
to, because it'll still market you in, bro. If it like it can. I believe it does. I could.
So what is the post only? What is the
post only? Guarantees that like if the price is moving and you're trying to enter a limit order, it will not execute it as like a market order if you weren't fast enough. Post only, so it'll just reject your fucking order.
Okay. All right. Good to know.
New type said Levex review. Well, yeah, dude. I'm actually I was about to just say I'm actually super happy that they finally added the take profit and the take profit and stop loss before you enter your trade. You can wait for this page to go away.
That's good.
Yeah, dude. I love being able to put that in before I get into my trade. Kind of gives me a glimpse of where my, what kind of profit I'm gonna be getting. What kind of stop loss is it too tight? Is it not?
Yeah. They still got ways to go. There's definitely a few things they're still missing, but
Yeah, but it's good. That just goes to show, right? We started off the show. They didn't have that feature, but slowly they went and they added it, which is very good. Let me actually share my screen. Because Keeper is over there.
So you guys, you've been trading. You guys been trading?
Oh, dude, I've been trading a lot. I've got like over $100,000 in volume traded easily on this thing.
That's awesome.
Well, then I've really been trading a lot because I've got 400K.
Well, yeah, I was trying to be conservative.
You probably have more than that.
Critical thinker guarantees that your order will not execute unless it's a limit order. So, like when you're trying to type in your order and shit, like the price, the price is moving. Like if and you enter your price, but like let's say if you're trying to go long and you're trying to enter a long at the price of $10, but while you're entering it, the price goes up to fucking $11. Instead of just executing your order at a market $11, it'll just cancel it, and you'll have to retype it so you're actually putting your order on the books.
Okay. All right, good to know.
That's the one thing I don't.
All you need to know is if you're trying to limit entry and like you really care, you don't want to market, just make sure you have post only. And that's every exchange, every fucking post. You always post only. Fucking like post like fucking.
I just wish it didn't cancel it. I just wish it would just wait around. Like if it comes back around.
That's you can do conditional. That's what conditional is for.
Oh yeah.
It adds that's when adding another variable. So you can set that conditional adds a price variable. You can say when the price hits this, I want you to do this. It's no matter what the order book is now. So that's what conditional order is for, to do that exact thing. Just play around with it. That's what you play around with it with a couple bucks, and then you'll see.
Dave Digital said he's been doing a lot of trading too. He's got $4 in trading volume. And Crusader, you probably have a lot more than you said, because you've been trading more than I have.
I don't know where you see the trading volume.
It's in like your VIP status or whatever, where it was like showing your levels that you can share with. I'll show it to you later. But there's definitely some cool things that LevX does in terms of sharing with other like different things that you can share with people in the VIP numbers. I'll show it to you later.
I'm VIP 5, whatever that means. Don't know.
Gets you in the club, bro.
Don't know if that's a good thing, a bad thing.
Where did you look for your VIP level?
I just went to my profile right now. But I don't know where you see that trading volume.
But did you go into the actual dashboard? Yeah. So
are we rolling over here or what?
Who's rolling where? What's going on?
Is the price going to roll over here? I'm just wondering what you think.
I think we're headed back down, baby. You know why? Because I've got a short in.
You've been saying that for the last 2 months.
You haven't broke structure to the upside.
Crusader doesn't like it.
I mean, this is big time fucking resistance right here. We've been at this. This is what I was talking about on my hey, let me share my screen. Let's give the people a little something.
Give the people what they want.
Yeah. Okay, let's see here. Let's do this. Okay. What's that? Whoops, wrong fucking screen. That was a little scary there. All right, here. Which fucking chart is this?
Share that LevX screen, bro.
I will very soon. Very soon.
Crusader, are you watching to pull up his screen?
Yeah, he hasn't shared it.
All right. No,
it's my fault. It's my fault.
I was just making an adjustment or something real quick, so I was just making sure one of us was paying attention to it.
Okay, hang on here. Okay. Share. All right, this is the red screen.
Wow. There we go. Okay. Whoa! Zoom out there, Keeper.
What?
I'm just saying him.
Oh, you're calling him Keeper?
Yeah, he's like zoomed in, like
we got a 21 there.
Sometimes you're changing things around. Listen, I'm a fat thumbed person. I'm gonna have a flip phone with big buttons, and I play bingo. Anyways, we're looking at the weekly here. And I mean, each candle's a week, and man, this is just here. Let me brighten this puppy up. These spider lines, call them spider lines, but they are just trend lines that are amazing trend lines, some of the best trend lines from the weekly pivots where they come from back 14K, back in these candles from the top of the fucking close, boom, bada bing, bada boom, give us charter territory, non-charter territory, and they still work to this day. And to this day, we've been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 weeks. That's like a year.
Right?
Okay, that's 70 days.
Yeah.
We've been it started out at 42,400 is really been let's switch it to regular candles just so you get a little more of a close at. We have not had a candle close over this trend line. Could this be the one?
Looks like this might be the one, bro.
It's the first time since the first candle we have a -5 on the dual band strength index and positive 24. I think it looks good with the 3-day money flow. Again, if the people are just joining us, every time the money flow gets at this point on the 3-day, bada bing, right here, we go back in time as soon as it touches the first time. Touch right there, touch first time, touch right here, touch first time. Right here. We're looking right here. We're not looking at the candles yet. First time.
What does it do?
What did it do?
I just ran for it.
Ran or couple of little candles sideways, and then she ran.
And then blast off.
Couple of candles. Actually, a little bit of a dip right here. Shit. This one.
You're looking at the money. You're looking at the money flow, correct?
Yeah, money flow. So I'm looking right here.
Green.
Where this green dotted line is where the money flow is currently, right?
So when it boom crossed right here, this candle, what happened? Sideways, little up and sideways, and then boom. That's when it went up to 14K. And then we can go all the way back to fucking.
So what you're saying is that 50K is imminent in the next couple of days, like I said earlier in the show.
If history repeats, that's what it sounds like.
That's what it sounds like. Sounds like to me.
I don't disagree.
Let's not put the carriage before the question. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh snap!
What's going on? What's happening?
Nothing.
Oh, he's like, no, don't pay any attention.
You look a little euphoric over there.
He's up like $200 right now.
Yeah. What he said. No, I'm not.
You know,
I'm up, but not $400.
I think it's up. I think it's up to you guys. But in 8 minutes, we've got 10 minutes left. Do you guys? You both have to agree here. Do you guys want to tell each other where you're at, or do you just want to keep it a total surprise till the end, so that one of you could try to play to win in the last 10 minutes? I'm just throwing it out there. You guys can decide. We won't make it go one way or the other. The last 10 minutes. Do you want to know, or do you not want to know? Alex, what would you rather do?
That's up to Face.
Okay. Face, do you want to know or not know?
Face is radio silent.
I'm just here for the ride, man. I'm just grateful to be on this show and hanging out with you guys.
Let's go.
Well, we'll see in 10 minutes. It worked for me last time. I'm praying in hopes it fucking works.
Alex said, I'll check.
I have to.
What was your trading volume, Keeper?
Well, I'd have to go find it right now, but it was 400-something thousand.
Oh yeah, I'm only at 280.
Oh my god,
$280,000.
Are you getting crunched?
Well, I've just been trading like.
Oh yeah, because you get in and out of 100 trades a day.
I was getting in and out of a lot of trades.
Yeah. I do like one trade a day. I'm in, I'm out. That's it.
All right, what's gonna happen?
man! That's what I get for not paying attention. Fucking talking to you guys.
Brought me on this damn show, and I got to talk to you.
Oh man,
freaking clowns!
All right, Bitcoin's gonna go for that 45.5.
You think we're gonna head for it?
I don't see it breaking it today.
Maybe not today. I don't know. You just never know.
Well, you definitely never.
It's gonna be one of those like Sunday morning fucking pocket rockets to the moon.
Little Sunday morning surprise.
Yeah,
little Sunday morning surprise. Everybody's at church and
yeah.
Bing.
What day is it today? Thursday?
It's Thursday.
Today is Thursday.
How's that trade going, Keeper?
It's biting me right now. Down.
What you shorted Bitcoin?
Shorting?
Yeah, we're down about 4.42%. But I've got to stop. I've got to stop within. I've got to stop up at 45. 4.
Chipotle sandwich right there, buddy.
I've got one at 45. I've got one at 45.4. So.
45.4.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So we're flirting with it right now. We're at 45.362. We keep on kind of flirting up there, and then that basically is those two candles that topped from earlier. Let me see.
Yeah, dude, the best the entry point was right at 45.144, around that area. That was the good entry point.
Trade's got to be closed though, right? Within the next 14 minutes.
You gotta close out by
start limiting out if you're trying to get out of your position.
How much time do we got left?
You got 14
minutes.
Oh, I thought you said we had like 10 to 8 minutes left.
No, I said when there is 10 minutes. I wanted to know what you guys wanted to do.
Yeah, just so that you know, start limiting out of your positions if ahead of time, so that way you don't get forced to mark it out and then take a big hit.
Yeah, I think I'm going to get stopped out on this trade here, but that's okay. You gotta can't win them all.
Yep. I've learned the hard way. If I make a profitable trade, stop trading.
Stop trading for the day. You're like, that one's good. Thank you.
If I make one trade anywhere near or over $100, stop. Every time I've traded again, I've given it all back.
Really?
And I've yes, every single time. It's never failed.
That's what they want.
This is my last two. So 15.26. These were both today. 15.26 and 14.54. And then the one that I pressed on was down 13%. And then I had two in a row to start the day, up 6.66% and up 6.99%.
And how much are you giving back now?
How much am I giving back right now?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if it's executed or not, but
well, like whatever, like if it were to execute.
Yeah, if it does execute, I am going to give back.
Yo, if I disappear, it's because my power went out.
$30.
$30, yeah.
Mm-hmm. I'll still be profitable on the day. What'd you say?
If I disappear, it's because my power went out.
Oh no.
It's because
I'm being serious.
Smoke bomb.
My power went out if you can't get a hold of me.
Screenshotting my total. I'm legit screenshotting my total right now.
Dude, we 100%
right now out here.
Believe you. We're just being how you are with us. You love to mess with us. So right back at you.
Let's see where the likes are at, bro. Where
are we at?
Dude, we're almost at 300 people in here, and we're not even at 100. And
we're still not 100 likes.
No, I lied. We do have 100. I was gonna say 150, but you cut me off.
Yo,
we're not even at 150 likes, and we got almost 300 people in here. Let's get at least a 2-to-1 ratio on the.
What'd you say, Face?
Yo, I'm gonna send this to you on Twitter, a screenshot. But don't look at it until the end.
Okay, all right.
But this shit with
you've crushed me.
My power goes out here, just fucking. But yeah, just wait.
There's 12 minutes left. Are you saying that you're stopping trading at this?
No, I'm saying, but if my power fucking goes out, that's what I'm saying.
That's where you were. Let's just hope your power doesn't go out. It'll be way more fun to.
Let's go, guys. Let's get to that 200 likes. I see the likes pumping like Bitcoin is. Come on, smash those likes. Got almost 300 people in here. Let's get 200 likes. Come on, let's get it. I know you guys can do it.
See, I don't know if I should try to degen and put it
So this is the thing. Okay, here. There's 10 minutes left, guys.
This is it. The
what do you guys want to do? CryptoFace, do you want to share where you're at and put the pressure on, or vice versa? Alex, do you want to share where you're at? Do either of you want to share?
Needs any pressure?
There's
just let us fucking trade, man.
I'm doing all right, but I don't think I'm doing good enough. That's how I feel.
Okay. All right.
I think he's full of shit.
Dave Digital wants to know. Dave Digital wants to know how you can anticipate a power outage.
I'm rude. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna guess, Dave.
You're a good man.
Dave says, "How can you anticipate a power outage?" I'm gonna guess, Dave, that he probably has some wild weather going on in the area. So and then we have Dave saying,
pointed in the air.
That this is not what I wanted to do. Where is it? Right here. Oh my God! The comments keep moving. The comments keep moving.
There, I hit it for you. I knew which one it was.
Well, you didn't hit it. I can't see it.
You took it off. I hit it already.
No, you hit it to turn it off, apparently. Gosh, dang it. Anyway, finish him. That was the
yes, that was the comment.
That was the comment.
I don't have that. What is that? Down, circle, A, B, C, down, up, down.
Oh,
circle?
That's Contra. No. That's Contra. Up, down, left, right, A, B, A, B. Select, start, face.
Flawless victory.
I was never a big tech end player, man. I liked Virtual Fighter.
No, this was Contra. That was Contra, but the old NES.
The heck is Contra?
What? Capcom in the.
Oh my God, Crusader! You've never played Contra on Nintendo?
That's a game or a console?
Oh, it's a game. It's a freaking one of the best games ever.
I wouldn't say
Contra. CONTRA. Contra.
What the fuck? Who makes it?
Who was the gaming? I mean, it's a Nintendo. It's a Nintendo game. I think Capcom. I think it's Capcom. I think it's Capcom.
I never played it.
Mega Man. You was Mega
Man. Mega Man. Yes.
I remember this game.
Dude, this game was dope. Contra was a freaking.
I remember the game. I played it when I was a fucking child. I was like 10 years old or less when I played this thing.
On your NES?
Actually, no. It was on. Back in the day, they were selling like this. Like they would sell you like this controller that you would plug into the TV with a little box, and it had like 100 different.
Oh
games
yeah. They've got.
And this game was part of that box.
Mm-hmm.
So that's how I know. That's why I didn't know the name of it, but I know I played it.
Contra was one of the best games, dude. I love Contra. It was great.
Definitely debatable.
Well, if you're old like
of its
myself,
time, of its
Okay.
time,
of my time, all right. See, look, Crypto Ocho must be around my age. I'm guessing one of the best for real. 100. He really
I
was.
would probably say Call of Duty beats it, but you know, that's-
Totally different. We're talking nostalgia versus hey, how good the graphics are. I mean, I'm not comparing that.
Or Street Fighter, Saga. You know what I'm saying?
Street Fighter was good. Yep.
Street Fighter was good.
I was a big Halo guy.
Oh, were you big into Halo?
I played a lot of Gears of War.
I was into the old Counter Strike 1.6.
1.6. Yeah, I still play CS, man.
The new ones.
Oh, the new ones. Yeah. We were playing it in the Discord like I don't know a month ago, man. And these kids are too good nowadays, man. I thought it was good, bro.
I was just about to say, I was like,
we're playing Dust, and
good?
these guys are just like throwing grenades over the map and killing us and shit. Like, it's
Dude,
like forget about it, man.
Of Discord, have you played Conquer Strike, the Discord game?
What? What's it called?
Bro, it's the same physics as like dude. It's a Discord game. You know how they have little activity games there now, and they added this game called Conquer Strike. Me and my girl play it. Dude, they have a lot of fun little games. They have a little soccer game.
We have a game that we play in our Discord.
Conquer Strike.
What's Conquer Strike though? What is it? What's the game do?
It's a Discord activity game. So Discord has little games now you can play with your Discord friends.
We've got no, I know that, but I'm asking you, what do you do? Like we have Discord games in our community. What do you do?
You're little like Lego looking guys, and you have like an AK or a submachine gun. You run around. They have like a couple little like Call of Duty mock-up maps.
Okay.
And like you just run around and shoot each other.
Conquer Strike. Let's look that up.
Conquer Strike. And it puts you up against the other motherfuckers in Discord around, not just your, but
Crusader.
But they randomize your name too, so you're not like getting stalked by some Discord Swiss cheese.
How many people can play at the same time?
What?
How many people can play at the same time?
A lot. I've seen.
We do the Rumble, and we get like 20 something people.
Yeah, we do Rumbles. But that's just like a text game where it just basically says, hey, this person got killed in this fashion. This person, was able to do this. And basically it's a survival game, whatever. But you're saying it looks like a game being played. Yeah. Okay. What to check
Let's
that out.
Big. Come on, baby. Just going. Just chopping.
Yeah, shopping. It was headed back down in the right direction. I was actually back into the positive for just a hair, just for a hair of a second. But
let's see where we at. Where we at with them likes? We're still not at 200 likes, guys.
Dude.
Start smashing those likes. Let's stop getting lazy. Come on.
260 viewers. Damn, that's like a record for the show.
Man.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby. We're about to fucking.
We're gonna disclose soon, man.
No,
the moment's coming. We got 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. If you're gonna be taking profits and limiting out, now's probably the time to start limiting out. It might take a little minute,
Crusader.
I have to pee, but I can't move. I gotta like grab a water bottle.
Yeah, dude, you don't have to have a pee bag.
A pee bag. Oh boy.
That's how I heard all the real traders do. The real traders just have a catheter and boom, they just don't got to move.
They just sit there. They go to the hospital and ask them to put a catheter in. They're like, why would we just randomly listen? My trading comes first. Trade or die. That's right. Trade for life.
What were you gonna say, Keeper?
Oh, I was gonna say. Face said this must be a record for this show, and I was gonna say he wasn't here the other day when we had 1,700.
Oh, yeah.
What?
Yeah.
1,700, bro.
When?
Mm-hmm.
That was like a week or two ago.
How about
now
Wednesday? We had the BitBoy thing.
Now, Face, the problem with the 1,700 in the chat was that I believe that most of them were bots. Okay, somebody botted us. No, I think the most we've ever had in here and like a legitimately was 600 people.
Like 500 something. It was during season 1 of Trading Wars. We had like 5 something,
maybe 600. Yeah.
We had all the fucking superstars.
The superstars. Well, we're about to see whether the superstars are aligned or not.
Is the veteran gonna come out victorious, or is the Trading Wars rookie gonna
I gotta fucking
knock off the veteran?
Hey, Crusader,
rookie life.
I'm profitable right now.
What, $2?
$2.25. $2.41. We can sit here and watch the ticker. and see what happens here.
It's too late.
Boy. Yeah. So
3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. We're gonna be limit out now. Don't complain when you gotta mark it out after the show's over.
That's right. That's right. Don't be complaining to me if you have to mark it out. We gave you the heads up. All right, so Crusader.
What?
Let's do a little
vote.
Take a little action here. Let's take a little action here in the chat. Who do we think won? Because nobody knows. Actually, Alex doesn't know, Face doesn't know, you don't know, and I don't know. So nobody actually knows.
We missed it, but Clay the Great gifted 10 memberships.
Oh, did he?
Put that man on the wheel.
Clay the Great, I got you, bro. I'm putting you on there.
Clay the Great has been dropping crazy AVAX alpha in the Discord as well. The Discord channel is set up, and he's been dropping some crazy stuff in there.
Dude, he's fantastic. He is the AVAX. We need to give him he is the AVAX.
There we go.
Something. We need Clay the Great. You get to come up with your own name. I am the VeChain Vice Lord. You get to come up with your own name. That's how the rules work in crypto. Okay. So AVAX something.
That's
so
right.
Pick it out, Clay the Great. And I got you on the wheel 30 times, Clay.
61% of the people in the chat believe Face is going to win.
61% say, well, you know what? Now, to be fair, I'm going to take
I'd vote for Face too.
Who Alex O crypto is yet. That's all.
I'm gonna
Dave
go
Digital says that he's nervous. And so, yeah, thank you, Dave Digital. I'm putting you on the wheel again.
Let's go. Dude, Dave Digital's been, I think it's Dave Digital. He's been making some pretty good trades. It's either him or Dave Brumbelow.
Dave Brumbelow has been.
Brumbelow is definitely making lots of good trades, man.
Yeah, there you go. I knew it was one of them.
The
Puddles, remember Puddles from the Discord? He's also been making some really good trades. He's been Discord.
Oh, has he?
Killing it, dude. Yeah, let me see. I'll show you right now what is that he posted.
Do we can you give us a countdown when we're at like 20 or just like a 30?
Yeah, 30
20?
seconds. 30 seconds.
Yep, that is correct.
Yeah, 30 seconds.
22%.
Mark it out, man.
Mark it out. He's made 2 trades, one 22% and the other one 52%.
18,
So
17, 16, 15,
Alex
14, 13, 12,
I'm out. So
11, 10.
What the fuck did
9,
you do, bro?
8.
He made a 50%
7,
trade and a 22%
6,
trade. You better have killed
5,
Profit?
4,
Yeah.
3, 2,
Shut up. Yeah,
1.
You're fucking with me, dude.
Koosh. All right.
Right here. I'm gonna show my screen right now.
Let's see it.
All right, yo, I'm the champ.
All
He
right.
gets to
I'll
go
show
first.
you. I'll show
All right,
you.
so
I'll show
Alex-
you mine if you show me yours.
Alex,
kinda
you
deal.
started off. Alex, you started off with 969. Crusader, you want to pull his screen? 969.92.
So I made a $9 and a $7 trade up
Okay.
$10.
Okay, so you're
There we go.
979. What?
He's 979.45.
979.45. All right, and Face started at
Let's go.
776.26. Face, what did you end up at, good sir?
Can I say a few words first?
Yes, you can say
I
that.
gotta say a few words. I prepared this speech.
You know, I like Alex O. I sponsored his channel. I think he's a diamond in the rough that it is out there in this fucking shit heap world, especially in YouTube and crypto. And if there was someone I was going to lose to, it certainly wouldn't be him. And I kind of acted a little bit, but I fucking killed it today. I'm up like 5.7%. I'll share my screen.
Oh,
Got a little lucky. I'm not gonna lie, I got a little lucky, and I did embezzle. Let me share my screen. My boy, you come to the gulag. You come to the gulag.
Let's go.
Now check my math. I checked my math.
what-
I'm at
what- I will.
820.59.
You're at what?
I started at 7.
You're at 820 what?
According to my math, I'm up 5.7%.
You're at 820.59.
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
I think-
that's a freaking great day.
Let's look at those closed P&Ls and make sure
That's
you
sick,
get
man.
deposit some money into that thing.
He made a deposit.
Look at them profitable trades.
multiple trades today too. Not just jerking around either.
I think this is it was really 2 trades, but this is like fucking like limiting out and shit. It got a little scary. I got a little lucky. Fucking
Good stuff, dude. Good stuff.
You fucking crushed it.
this is the best. This is the best fucking. I don't know. To be honest, oh man.
Yeah,
Alex,
dude.
oh, you're the man. I'm sorry to do this to you,
Bro, you killed it, man. That's awesome, bro. I'm happy for you.
I was, you know what? This is 2 really good traders, right? Alex has been killing it the whole time. Face has been around for a long time and has done fantastic things in the trading world. I've been looking forward to this since we found out this was going to be the heads up, and I wasn't sure. Anybody can have an off day as well, and so you just never know.
Yeah, bro.
This was fantastic.
Crypto Pollo gifted 5 more memberships. Shout out to Crypto Pollo. We've also got TRD Farmer with $10 Canadian.
I got Crypto Pollo on TRD Farmer.
At least we got WM Cook for $100 super chat.
What?
Send some Market Cipher love. Put those people on the wheel.
$100 super chat. Where is that?
Let's go.
And man, to be honest, if we were going off total PNLs, Alex would be whooping my ass. I've been trading like shit and somehow scooting by. It's only until the fucking gulag until I actually had some decent trades. And so, man, I really respect you, and I'm looking forward to your future, man. And
thank you, brother. I appreciate it.
Better man won today, but that's just for the day. I'm the better man just today. Tomorrow and the next day, I guarantee you're a better man than me.
Hey, man, if there's somebody to lose to, CryptoFace is definitely the guy.
That's very true.
I don't mind.
Very true. You can't hang your head from a loss to Face. That's for sure.
Shout out to Alex O Crypto. Made a heck of a season trading this season.
Yeah.
And like
thanks
I said,
for having me on, guys.
Dude, I mean, you've been doing amazing, right?
You're killing it.
This is more than just trading. This is more of a game show, right? There's twists and turns. There's profit taking and the penalty hits and the hot seat or whatever. So a lot of times, like the position you're in right now, you didn't get here because you've been trading bad. You've been trading great, but because how the game is structured with the game, it's put you in this position.
Actually, I think Alex was the only trader that was profitable every single week. I think. Did you have an off week, Alex? I don't know that you did.
No,
I don't think so.
Alex was profitable every
last week, right?
Yeah, but the course of the week, you were profitable every single week, and you were the only trader that has done that, I believe.
Yeah, he's probably one of the only people that have not been.
Evan might be. I'm not sure.
Trigger man, yeah.
Evan might be. But so the final, if you guys don't already know, here now you know the final. On Monday, and Crusader, I want to talk to you about this backstage, but they were talking about having everybody come on and letting the traders do their thing, and so we should talk about that. But the final, ladies and gentlemen, is Monday, this coming Monday, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is going to be CryptoFace, made it through the 1v1s, and it's going to be Crypto Blood, and it's going to be Evan Aldo. So we've got those 3 for the final. We're going to be at the exact same. We're going to make sure everybody's starting at the same number. We're not going to have any wild shenanigans. The rules will be very straightforward. You guys, I'm looking forward to Monday.
Banks is coming back to defend that title from season.
Right. Let's go, guys.
That's right.
Season 1.
Dude, I swear, I'm playing this thing. I was like, dude, I was so tired. I was so fucking tired. And I knew if I went to sleep that I wasn't going to make it. And I'm like, I've been trading like shit when I've been sleeping good. And so I was in that Bitcoin trade. I stayed up. My brother hopped on video games with me last night to keep me up. I went on stream today. I blasted music to stay up because for some reason when I'm at my optimum prime, when I'm a fucking degen. And but for real, man, I'm so glad I got to. If it wasn't for this show, I wouldn't know who Alex O was. And I'm really glad I did because, man, he's fucking hell of a trader, bro. I mean, I don't think you've had the only trade you had that I think you lost is because you had to go balls to the wall because you got fucked on 2%.
Yeah,
whatever.
Just trying to.
The only trade you lost. So I'm hella impressed with you.
Yeah,
and don't feel bad that the champ took one off you.
That's the one. Go ahead, man. Enjoy. You better win the finals. Then I lost to the best.
Yeah, exactly.
Do my best. I'm like
Crypto fam, if you're not following Alex O Crypto, fix that problem right now. We've got his link down below the stream. He has been an insanely profitable trader. Like I said, the only trader that has been profitable every single week on Crypto Wars. On Trading Wars. He will be back. We will drag him back in here, even if he tries to say no. He's coming back. So congratulations to you, Alex. CryptoFace, congrats. We'll see you on Monday. To everybody else, make sure to smash that like if you haven't already. Put on that bell notification and subscribe. Question everything.
Trust nothing.
And until next time, hodl.
Like it's out.
We will see you soon. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.